Tingnan niyo to. Bataan stew. 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 Stew.
It's true.
Bataan stew. Ayan siya, oh, pinagalo-halo siyang mga, diba? Horse meat, carabao, even monkey, fish, rice, green weeds. Marijuana ba to? Charot.
Uy,
Ayan siya. Hindi siya tunay mga fake food lang to. Parang pinapakita lang. Andito po kasi tayo sa parang maliit na museum dito. Ayan o. Dito sa Balanga. Sensya na, cellphone na ano lang gamit ko. Mga, kung merong Jufran, merong Mafran. Banana.
Ayun yung
Diba?
unang
ketchup. Tama ba?
Oo.
Tapos yun, ano yun?
In 1942, fighting men of USAF who had to work 20 hours a day under the worst condition were fed 2,000 calories, half the normal
Ah, basta yun na yun. Eto,
Aluminum.
aluminum canteen, meat can. Ito yung meat can, aluminum canteen. Hindi siya pwedeng ano yun.
Hindi mo pwedeng hawakan.
Ay, hawakan nito, sorry. Ayan, mga baunan, di ba? Guys, ito, mga
Container.
container, mga 100 grams. Ganyan yung mga bentahan ng bigas ba noon? Ayan siya.
Ito, banana ketchup na kalagay siya. Banana ketchup was developed by food technologies.
Ayan o, diba pwede ka magluto dyan. Ako na, nailo na ako. Ayan, ihawan. Kastanyog. Kastanyog. Philippines invented a kind of staple food that became the saving grace of the starving poor. It was called kastanyog. They are simply strips of coconut meat roasted over hot coal and tastes like castañas and coconut combined, tasty, feeling, and very cheap. Ito siya.